Right, let's get this thing on the road. Like the show. What's wrong with you? Well, that's strange. It's been a great little saw. Oh, this is one of the ones I bought new. I haven't bought anything new for a while, but he doesn't want to go. Let me go and get a little Torx thing and we'll have a look at this. So, I got some tools. Hopefully that's enough. Now I don't know what's wrong with this thing. It seems to have bogging down up top. An air blockage could do that, you know, a blocked air filter could do that. Can't see the mixture going wrong or anything, or maybe a blockage in the the carby somehow, something like that. I don't really want to go adjusting it, but I can. That's easy. We can do that. Don't want to adjust it for the sake of it. Sometimes you're hiding the problem by putting band-aids on. Well, let's have a look at the simple things first, eh? A mouse might have climbed up in here. Who knows? But yeah, it hasn't got too many hairs on the saw. I don't think I put a chain on it. I haven't even put the bar yet, so it hasn't had. I think I bought a chain. I might have put a chain on it, you know. I like to have two chains, just in case. You can just swap one out straight away. What do you reckon? A bit dirty? Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Not that bad. Hope there's only one bloody screw, otherwise I'm screwed. How am I going to get the other one, you know? How do you get... Oh yeah, cool. Oh yeah. You'll see. Oh, it's a foam filter. There you go. Okay. Oh, maybe. I should just get another one of these. And I can swap them out. Have the other one getting cleaned and dried. Well, that's better. Let's see. Let's see if that's going to be it. That's all I want to see. Is that the problem? Is that the problem? It felt like it was starving for something at the top end. And if an air filter's blocked, you know, it makes sense. Tell me I'm wrong. That's what the internet's for. How did anyone ever know that they were wrong before the internet? Who listens to the internet? Suckers. Let's just try this. Any other thing I did, I mean, I filled it up with fuel, but it already had a fair bit in it. Oh, you know, half, something like that. I put a fair bit of fuel in. And the fuel that I mixed the other day, I didn't quite have it. I'd already put the oil in the 5-litre container. My special mix of 33:1. Covers all bases then, all two strokes. And even though it's supposed to be 50:1, you know, but what the hell. And then I didn't have enough fuel to top it up. I might have had 4 litres instead of 5, so it could be a slightly oily mixture. I'm just keeping that in mind, you know. Just keeping that in mind because it could be something like that too. But like I say, it already had some fuel in there, and so I don't think that'll be it. I'm just saying I got one of these special. You know, I used to be able to just do the adjustments with the slotted thing, and I bought a little part in a chainsaw, which is a pull end, $100, and it died. But it had the first chainsaw I've ever had that had this type of, you know, special. I don't know what they are. Bloody special. I had to go and buy a special screwdriver. I don't know what. I don't know what's in here. Oh yeah, it could be. So let's give this a start up and see if we can get. It'll just start. Right, give it a go. Get it up off the ground. Back where it was. If this thing here is working, if it fits this one or not. Feels like it's slipping. I wish I could see down in there. Oh. What do? Do you give up on this one? Put it aside? Get a new one? No, you don't. I got another 8 chainsaws in the shed. I'm determined to find out what the fuck is going on here. It's funny when you turn it up on one side. It cuts out. Could it be blocked from here? Let's just try that. Just played with the filter. Right? You good? New battery now. We've got another chainsaw from the chainsaw shack. Technically this is the missus' chainsaw. So I got a new chainsaw one time when it was her birthday. She complained about the vacuum cleaner I got her for Christmas, so she got a chainsaw for birthday. Sorry. Let's give it a go. Oi. Maybe I did mix that fuel wrong. Maybe it's out enough that I... No, come on. Can't be that bad. Huh. Started off alright for a second. Ha ha ha. Let's get another one. And we're back. Get another one. Yeah, just like the other one. Yeah. This is the old Komatsu Genoa. This is the oldest one of these. Let's see. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, shut my eyes. Come on, mate. Come on. They like sitting around in the shed for a long time. There's no fuel in them. No, there is a snake. Okay. Oi! Okay. I nearly gave up. Don't give up on your dreams, kids. This one sounds a bit oily too, eh? Maybe it is that fuel. Alright, let's just cut down this tree. Ciao everyone. Well, that's a lesson for your kids. Look after your chainsaws. Don't let people borrow them, that's for sure. You lend out your wife. You know, it's not Demi Moore all over again, is it? No. Not for $1 million. You don't lend your chainsaw. No. You go and give a bloke a hand with a chainsaw, but you don't lend it. Hell no. Just in case they look after it better than you when it wants to stay there. Yeah. I should put that through the mulcher, eh? No, not that smart. I've got one project on here. One project. One job. See what? Let's see what this husky goes like when it's cold. Because there might be a clue as to what's wrong. Alright. I don't know, that's working fine, isn't it? Sometimes it's just the threat of going out with another girl that does it, eh? They just behave. Right? These cute little things here. A couple of them hanging around, twins. You's behaving now, aren't you? They're fickle. Oh, I might cut down those ones as well. Tell you what. I'm getting carried away now. I'm going to do something else. You just hang here for a minute. That's funny. Now sometimes these projects get out of hand. I just came out here to do whippersnipping this morning. That's all I was going to do. Just whippersnipping. That's it. That's it. Now, cutting down trees, fixing chainsaws. I don't know how much I'm fixing chainsaws. Just dealing with chainsaw psychology, really. Yeah. But the thing. Yeah, that's good. Now we need fuel. Green ants are at it already. Gasoline. Well, Mad Max was filmed here. Hi, I'm Max. Gasoline. Yeah, get to that one day, eh? Get back to those days. Mad Max wasn't an entertaining movie. It was a prophecy. You girls get out of the way, you dirty little chainsaw. Tarts. You see that? Yeah, you'll see that. So, I'm going to go and make this happen.